Wrapping up a beautiful middle of the week, getting a chance to finally dry things out and warm it up a little bit. Now the question is, will that trend continue? We'll keep it dry tonight. Still a little cool though, so might need that jacket first thing in the morning with temperatures starting off in the mid 40s. The Indians have an early home game. Sunshine, temperatures warming through the 60s, and if you're taking part in the Run 317 around the circle, we'll have temperatures in the 60s and importantly dry. High temperatures on our Thursday coming in right around the 70-degree mark. As we look into early next week, a pattern change, and that means temperatures climbing above average and possibly close to 80 degrees as we get into the middle of next week.